Well, we are definitely biological machines. Okay, there's no question about that. The question is, what does that mean? Okay, what does that mean for people's feelings about the universe, sense of who they are? Are humans special in that sense from animals? Well, I look at a continuum. If you take a look at our own evolution, and you were to believe, for example, that only humans are conscious, which is the dominant position of most psychologists and most people in the field, that humans really are different. We are conscious, animals are not. That is the dominant position in the entire field. But if you take a look at our evolutionary history, at what point did we suddenly become conscious? There's a continuum of our ancestors going back millions, in fact billions of years. And then you say, well, at what point did we suddenly become conscious? And then you begin to realize that, hey, this is a stupid question. Consciousness itself probably has a continuum. It has stages, as I mentioned, but consciousness probably has a continuum. And so in that sense, we are linked to the animal kingdom. Now, are we special? Again, it depends on how you define special, how you define soul. What I'm saying is, if you give me a criterion, that is, are we X, Y, Z, then what I say is, okay, how do you measure it? Give me an experiment that I can put a human in a box by which I can measure this criterion that you give me. So are we biological machines? And the answer is yes. But what does that mean? Does a machine have a soul? Does a machine have something more? Well, define more. Define soul. Define essence. Give me a criteria, give me a definition, and then I will give you an experiment by which we can differentiate yes and no. That's how we physicists think.